Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Thank you again, like I said, for being here, taking the time to watch my videos. I do appreciate it. And if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and leave a comment down below telling me about your day and if you enjoyed the video, what you thought of the unboxing. Also, please don't forget, we do have a current giveaway going on, and that is for the Show Me Your Mumu Brie robe from FabFitFun, as well as a brand new Michael Kors wallet. Hop over and check out the Disney Villains ColourPop video I did, and the instructions on how to enter are in that video. Otherwise, as you can see from the description below, we have a new subscription to our channel. I'm super excited. It is the Apollo Surprise Box. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the box first, and then we'll get into actually opening and unboxing everything. So it is through Cratejoy. I will put a link down below where you can sign up, and it says there's a couple different ways they describe it, so I'm going to read them all to you. Apollo Surprise Box is for people who love sporting unique products and gadgets but don't like spending the time looking for them. If you have an eye for one-of-a-kind decorations, accessories, and more, then this is the subscription box for you. You're guaranteed to receive full-size items that are unique and won't be found in any chain store. Each item in the box is handpicked to fit your personal taste and lifestyle, so you'll get products that you actually like and use. This subscription offers unique products up to $50 in value at $30 a month. They do also offer a jewelry subscription, the Apollo Surprise Jewelry subscription, and it is $30 a month, but you can go ahead and prepay for 3 or 6 months, and that can actually lower the cost of your box to maybe $25. So they do have a couple different options, different boxes, plans, pricing, so it just depends on what you're looking for. So let's see. And yes, so here it says pick from 2 subscription boxes and 3 payment methods based on your budget. So that is awesome. And then it's up to 40% off the retail price, receive seasonal and holiday items and greeting cards, and you can update your preference at any time. So this was very kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys, but I did go in and actually fill out a form explaining my favorite colors, things that I was into, and all of that. So that is how they curate the box, literally individually personalized for you, and items that they feel you will enjoy based off of what information you have provided. So, woo! The other thing I want to tell you guys, like I said, I will put the link down below for you to sign up if you would like to. And they have also, this I think is really awesome, they have actually given me 2 promo codes to offer you guys. The first one is SMOMBOX15, and that is for 15% off of a 3-month subscription to the surprise box. And they have also given me a code for 15% off regular priced items. So they have a shop, and that is SMOM15. So the SMOMBOX15 gets you 15% off of a 3-month subscription, and then just SMOM15 can get you 15% off products on their site. So that I thought was very kind of them to do. I don't get anything from those codes, so those are just for you guys. But let's get into this unboxing. So I did open it. The box is rather large. So it looks like, I haven't peeked, I promise, but it does look like here on top we have some cards maybe telling us about some stuff in there. So I'm just going to set these to the side for now. And then, what is this, paper? Okay. Okay, so that's just basically paper telling us again about the item. So we'll set that to the side. And we have lots and lots of these little peanut guys here. So I'm gonna try and dig down until I find an item. Oh, I feel something. I'm gonna get these peanut things everywhere, so let me just go ahead and dump some of them out. All right. Now, that should make it a little bit easier. So, let's see. We have something here. There's a peanut bugs flying everywhere. But I do like that they, you know, packaged it so well so that everything would arrive safely. Y'all, okay, sorry. I was reading this because this really, really intrigued me. This is really cool. So it's like a French press for coffee. That was one of the things that I told them I loved was coffee. But it's like an on-the-go individual, like, okay. I'll just read to you the description. The coffee press makes 1 cup of French press-style coffee at a time. Pressed coffee releases more flavors and essential oils, giving you richer, fuller flavored coffee. And this is saying, like, you could do stir-ins of, like, peppermint, vanilla, orange peel. It says, fill the hopper, coarsely ground coffee, max 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. Close and place into a hot cup of water. Let sit and brew for 4 minutes, and then slowly press the plunger to filter coffee. Remove from cup and enjoy. This is so awesome. So you would... Well, okay. So it does have, like, you know, basically a built-in filter in there. So you fill this up with 1.5 tablespoons of coffee, and then you screw it back on. You put this in your cup of hot water, let it sit for 4 minutes, and then you do slowly press the plunger down to release the coffee, and you have a French press on the go. That is awesome. So here is the card on this item. This portable coffee press lets you make a cup of French press coffee at home, at the office, or anywhere. Just grab a cup of hot water, load the base with your favorite ground coffee, press the plunger, and stir. Perfect coffee that's ready in minutes. I'm so excited to try this. I generally use a K-cup because I have a Keurig, but this is really exciting to try with loose ground coffee. So, yay! That is definitely different and unique. So, and then, oh, what is this? Okay, these are cute. Sorry for the noise. They're little puppy dog slippers. Those are so cute. Like, these are so stinking cute. And I love that they have the harder bottom. They do ask your shoe size, so that is great. Or that's not so cute. It almost looks like Snoopy. Almost. So cute. So let's see. Plush pup slippers. Happiness is a warm puppy. Our plush pup slippers will revive your tired tootsies after a long day. Oh, so that is so cute. Oh, we can always use a good new pair of slippers. So I am excited for those. And then, what else? Not sure what this. Okay. Gonna have to look. Y'all, this is awesome. Christopher will be very happy about this. I can guarantee you that. This is a donut float. Dunk this giant donut into the pool for fun and relaxation. Delicious in chocolate or strawberry frosting with colorful sprinkles, donut floats will take a bite out of boredom this season. Fun for all ages. So we apparently got the strawberry frosted donut. Would have been hilarious if we got the chocolate frosted with the sprinkles, because that's actually Christopher's favorite kind of donut. But I can guarantee you that once it warms up a little bit more here, he will be in the pool with this for sure. So yay, I love that. That is so fun and unique. I mean, what other subscription box are you gonna get a donut float in? And looks like we have one more item. And this is interesting. So this is a nail polish. This is Ruby Wing nail polish. If wearing the same shade of nail polish puts you on the path to boredom, you'll love our Ruby Wing nail polish. It's a unique polish that changes color as you go outdoors and changes back back again once you're inside. Can't read tonight. Talk about having fun in the sun. So it shows it obviously as like a blue glittery shade, but here it shows if you go outside, it will change to like a green glittery shade. So that is super fun. So yay. And I do believe, I will double check, but I do believe that was everything in the box. Yes. So that was my Apollo surprise box for April 2018. I was very surprised and very pleased. What did you guys think? Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, as well as the 2 different promo codes, one for the subscription and then one to save you 15% if you would just like to purchase some products. So again, I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.